Okay. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. All right. So, I've got, I don't know, about 40 minutes. Going out to a little housewarming get together. But I have a bit of time, so let's see what we can do here. Also, someone recommended I actually make thumbnails for my videos, so I have been. And see here that I actually have some little thumbnails now that don't look awful. Or at least they're a little bit better. So I probably won't change them up too much. Maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe I'll make them in the videos. Who knows? In any case, we need to do a few things. Okay, so just collecting my thoughts. So we have the player running around doing stuff. That's cool. Let's load that up. Rad. Amazing. Whoop. There we go. I actually might slow down that back speed just slightly, maybe. I don't know. But we have a blaster, and the blaster node, we actually let's scoot that up, maybe 25, 27. That looks good. And then I remember the tutorial having a whole my dog's yapping, a whole section about instantiating scenes or whatever. So we can do something similar. Of course, they used it to instantiate enemies. And we'll use it again to instantiate the asteroids. But we should be able to just spit out a node representing like a bullet. Now, there's this thing that I'm somewhat aware of when it comes to instantiating bullets in video games, is that like you can spit out a lot of, and this is more the case for like larger games with more complexity, is that you're spitting out so many nodes or game objects or whatever for all of these different bullets. And I've done this in the past in Unity, using mostly their like default cube game objects, just shaped down to like little rectangles representing bullets. And it was fine until you really start spamming it. And in that case, it was more of like a first-person shooter, right? So a common solution is to... I always have a fear OBS isn't running. So a common solution is to, as far as I'm aware, kind of create like decals or something that represent the bullets, right? They're like decals and exist in space, but they're not taking up like the computational power of a game node or like a game object, a node. So you're just kind of spamming decals all over the place, and that becomes a pretty cool system, especially when you're like trying to implement, say, like blood falling on the ground or bullet holes in walls or something. I don't think we need to account for that. I'm just bringing it up. I'm just bringing it up. I do not think we actually need to account for that kind of like system, because this is so simple, and we'll have like a cooldown on how fast they can, you know, shoot these bullets out. Or maybe it can just be tied to like the spacebar, right? And if you can hit the spacebar super fast, then you can shoot a bunch of bullets. I don't know. We'll kind of play test the Asteroids browser game again to see how that works, but let's at least get something going in game. And for now, I'm just going to implement it as a node that I can instantiate. And if that's too much for some reason, then we can look into a different type of system. This music's kind of loud. I just got a text. Busy day. Oh, bless. More friends hit me up. Glad I have so many friends, but it's just, you know, it's a lot to handle sometimes. I'm a very kind of introverted type person. Okay, whatever, the music's fine. I want actually a different... Yeah, okay. So, how did they... Oh, that's also... No, that's fine. So, how did they implement... This is like... This music's so much better than a lot of the like lo-fi stuff that's out there. Okay, so they have like enemies here, and they have a whole scene. But I think, do we even need a scene? How do you instantiate a node? Godot instantiate node. Nodes and scene instances. I've been here before. Okay, so we can get node, get node, get node. Yes, sugar, amazing. Oh. Yeah. Okay, wait. Right, so Q free deletes it. And I was thinking we could have like an out of bounds positioning thing like this. Instantiating scenes. Okay. Instant. Right. Instantly become no. Right. So, yeah, we might need to create a scene. Okay, let's try that out. Let's try that out. Okay. So, oh, I did. I created a bullet scene already. Amazing. Okay. So, let's let's get it going. And we have our blaster reference. So that's fine. Okay. So let's get let's put it right above the, yeah. Okay. Public void handle blaster. These could all be private methods. You know, I don't know. In Python, everything's public. It makes more sense when you're like building up bigger systems where you're like importing one class into another, and so on. But these are like independent scripts, more or less, that you just kind of are firing off. So I'm not too worried about stuff like that. Okay. So we'll say if input dot is action pressed. What was the name? What did we name it? I'm at where I can't remember if it was like blast or shoot or shoot blaster. Oh, and then we need the space key. Okay. So shoot blaster. And then cool. I mean, we could also just do a timer. Like, I forget how timers work in Godot, but that's kind of cool. It's like a built-in system to Godot, because I built a lot of like hacky timers in the past. Okay, so we need to get a packed scene. So, instantiating scenes. Is that how they did it in the tutorial? I don't think so. Yeah, okay, so... Wait. That's okay. We're just going to add... I don't think we have to do this stuff until we start setting up asteroids. I think all we need to do is implement the packed scene, instantiate it, and then add it as a child of the blaster. And then it should spawn. And then we need movement. So it needs to shoot in the same vector like we're like looking at, which is fine because we can just get the velocity and do it that way, and we don't need like the move and slide crap. We can just I did kind of like how Unity handled its collision events. You had like on collision enter and exit, and you just kind of like toss those into a class that represented a game object that had like that component, the collider component. But that's fine. I feel like Godot definitely has you rely more on the engine than the code, which is fine. Like, that's fine. I just need to learn the UI. But I've always had a better time like just typing something out. Okay, so okay, add a script domain, whatever. Oh, it's like a drag and drop. Okay, so let's put it up here. Export, what is it? System monitor. This laptop's really crap. I wouldn't mind a better laptop at some point. Look at how long it takes to load it. Apparently forever. So, and who knows what's like taking up a bunch of resources because I can't view the monitor. It's like a mix of OBS and everything else. This is all pretty heavy. I honestly I have a desktop. I could just clean that up, toss Linux Mint on that. God knows, I think I have a couple SSDs in there. It's been a while since I've used it. Okay, what am I yapping about? Export, public hacked scene bullets get set. All right. Oh, we need to build. There we go. So there we go. Okay. That's what I want. Okay. Wait. So what did they do with... So they have the pack scene. Let me set up some timers and stuff, that's fine. But... let's just try it. Let's name it Blaster Scene. Scene dot instantiate. Oh, packed scene. There we go. Yeah, there's no type blaster. That's why I was like kind of confused. Ugh, yeah, that's not gonna help. Let's go back to the enemy creation menu, or menu, part of the guide here. Oops. Creating the enemy. My mustache itches. Alright. No, so nothing. Failed the big prop. Oh, right. Could not find blaster. What does instantiate return? Okay, let me comment this out. Build. Oh, I don't want to play, but that's fine. It'll build it. Okay. Did we build? Nice. Okay, apparently. It just says bullet when it should say bullet scene. Oh, man. Ugh, okay. There we go. I'm messing up, that's why. What is this song? Some of this playlist really pops, and then this is like, okay. Okay. So it's not the blaster scene, it's the bullet scene, huh? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Bullet scene. Radical. And I'm trying to get blaster. It should be bullet. It's like the B word messed me up. You know? Huh. Alright, so I don't think we just say, like, we can just do this. Apparently. And then we can say, we still need the blaster. Shit, wait, okay. Private node 2D blaster. And then okay. And then blaster dot add child bullet. And bullet dot velocity, right? Bullet dot, oh, it should be, what do we name I think it's legit just called bullet. Oh, I think it's an area 2D. Oh, right. This should be bullet and then area 2D. Right? Yeah. Can I not access the velocity? Yeah. Bullets. Node. Say that. Bullet node dot. What do I got here? Transform dot velocity. What is okay, Godot velocity. This is where I want, like, yeah, amazing. No, I need, yeah. This is where, like, actual documentation would be nice. Like, there's the Chrome development protocol, which I've been using at work to interface into, interface into Chrome directly. And so, like, you get this kind of documentation where, let's say, go to target, something I'm familiar with. So, say we come to get targets. This is the kind of documentation I want. What properties and methods does this class have? You know what I mean? I would really enjoy this kind of documentation. Does Godot have that kind of documentation? Betcha not. Class reference? Nice. Area 2D. Exactly what I want. Okay. Oh, right, yeah. I've seen these pages before, so never mind. Should have, like... Ooh, I'm running out of time. Alright, so how do I access the freaking velocity, dude? Velocity? Oh. Well then, how am I able to access velocity all? Velocity. Okay, how about this? Godot access velocity of node. Then how the heck did we move the player? Here. Coding the player.
2 1 2
2 3
1
Oh.
2 1 2 1 2
Oh, it's position.
1
Okay, that's fine.
2 1 2
Position. Oh, okay. So, alright, so every scene, I think we need to update the position, or every scene, every tick, we need to update the position. So why don't we have, private list, this is where I would love any. Yeah, I know. Oh, area 2D of bullet instances. Okay. Oh, list can't be found. Okay. Then okay, we'll use a frickin' array then.
2 1 1
Bullet instances dot
1 2 1
how do you frickin' C# lists? I just frickin' want an add method, dude. Like, yeah, list T. What do you mean there's no?
2
Okay,
1 2 1
list.
3 funk
Oh, I just had to. It didn't bring in. Oh my gosh. Okay. Add bullet node. Okay. Radical. So say handle blaster. Blaster. And then we'll say bullet instances dot. Do they have a for each? Heck yeah, they do. Oh, they probably don't have. Oh, really? Is it like JS? Oh, nice. Rad. That's awesome. Okay. Oh. We can't just take the current velocity. But maybe we can for now, for like the sake of it. We we can maybe test it though. We'll have to move forward and shoot. Let's see if it works. I don't know. Yeah, I am like out of time. Do 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 do. All right, let's back up. I mean, it pops up. I don't know why the position of the bullet's not increasing. Yeah, actually, the more we shoot, this is lagging out. Okay. So we might have to come up with a better system. But that's fine. We got the base idea going. You guys have a totally great one. I'm gonna go drink beer at a barbecue. So, see ya.